Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to report IRS Form 1099-S for real estate transactions. So this form is used to report the sale or exchange of real estate. And it's very important because the IRS uses it to track any proceeds that you received from any transaction. So if you sold a property, this helps make sure everything is properly reported on your tax return. So on the screen, you'll see the 1099-S form open as a PDF so that you can follow along. Let's go through the key parts step by step. Starting at the top section, you'll see the filler's information. So this includes the name and phone number of the person or company responsible for filing the form. And right below that, you'll see the filer's TIN and the transferor's TIN. The transferor is the seller of the property. So this is where their tax identification number goes. Next, move to the section labeled Transfer's Name and Address. So this is where the seller's full name and complete address are entered. And make sure everything is accurate here since this connects the transaction to the correct person. Now look at box 1, which shows the date of closing. So this is simply the date when the property sale was finalized. In box 2, you'll enter the gross proceeds. This is the total amount received from the sale before any deductions. In box 3, you'll find the property address or legal description. This identifies exactly what property was sold, so be as clear and complete as possible. Then in box 4, there's a checkbox if the transferor received property or services as part of the deal. And box 5 is checked if the seller is a foreign person. And finally, box 6 shows the buyer's part of real estate tax, if applicable. So once everything is filled out, review the form carefully and make sure all the details match your records before submitting or reporting it on your tax return. And that is it. That's a simple walkthrough of how to report IRS Form 1099-S. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.